working with my colleagues and with the support of Lane throughout her training, it kind of allowed me to understand how my practice can be improved and can be cohesive with my colleagues' practice. So basically, it brought us together, and we have a better understanding together of what we want to achieve through our mentoring sessions with our young people. Hello, my name is Micaela. We work with kids that sometimes struggle with mental health, and we support them. I'm a learning mentor for them, and it's been great so far. I've been working with them for like around a year now, and I love what we do. So I found the training enlightening. It has opened my eyes quite a lot in what it means to be a learning mentor for someone. Because even though my background is in psychology, I've never really had a training surrounding how to support someone through mentoring. And it's just, it made me see how mentoring can create such an impact on someone. I already knew, but now that we've got some more structure through the sessions, through the training sessions, we got more structure, and we've got more, we were informed about more research in the area, and how mentoring can have such a positive impact on young people through this training opportunity. So it's been great. Working with my colleagues and with the support of Lane throughout her training, it kind of allowed me to understand how my practice can be improved and can be cohesive with my colleagues' practice. So basically, it brought us together, and we have a better understanding together of what we want to achieve through our mentoring sessions with our young people. And another thing would be to create a structure. We have kind of a structure already applied in our mentoring sessions with our students, but now we've got more a proper setting. We've got more evidence of what works and what doesn't. We were able to come up with a plan of action, which we didn't have, the three of us together, and now through working together, all of us, we can address situations more as a team, but with a plan of action and a proper structure. One thing I would implement into my practice, thanks to the training that I received, is probably just being able to have a session, but structured in different minutes, and with a greeting, and then continue with what is it that they would like to achieve. So just providing more a sense of what it is to be said in each of my sessions. I will definitely implement that. I will provide time for each of the part of the session that I find most helpful for them, and I will give my mentee the time to explain more about their goals, which is something that I was doing, but in a less structured way. In our first training session, we talked about what our students, mentees have in common, and we thought it would be quite difficult to come up with one quality or several qualities they would all share, but we realized some of them do share some things in common, and by putting these qualities together, we are able to understand which way of mentoring works better for them. So I thought that moment was really, really enlightening. I thought, wow, I couldn't tell that they do share some commonalities, and that was very, very good to understand and be able to put them together. Therefore, as a team, we are able to, through understanding their qualities, we are able to provide with better solutions maybe to whatever it is that they want to achieve, or whatever their goals would be, because now it's more of a sense of everyone sharing the same structure, everyone working together, and some of the students would share the same goals as well. So we can have one program for some of them that will work for, you know, 2 or 3 of them together. So that's very helpful.